This challenge is picoCTF1. It's an easy level challenge from the general skills category and the beginner picoMini 2022 event. The description reads, "Can you crack the password to get the flag? Download the password checker here, and you'll need the encrypted flag in the same directory too." Okay? So the first thing we want to do before we start solving this challenge is we want to create a directory for this challenge inside of our web shell. So in the web shell, we're going to make directory and then picoCTF1. And then we're going to enter the directory cd picoCTF1. And now we're ready to begin. All right, so the first thing we want to do is download the two files associated with the challenge. So we're going to do wget and then space, and then go over to the challenge page. And the first link over here is for the password checker. So we're going to right-click that, select copy link address. Then in the web shell, we're going to paste in the address and hit enter to download the file. Okay, so we also have another file to download, so it's going to be wget again. And then encrypted flag, the word flag is a link, so we need to right-click that and select copy link address. One more time, paste it in. We can also paste in the link by right-clicking and selecting paste. And that's going to download the other file that's required for this challenge. Okay, so we have the level1.py file, so we can run that using Python. So it's going to be just Python space level1.py. Hit enter, and it says, please enter correct password for flag. So since we don't know this, we're just going to enter test, and then it says that password is incorrect. So what we need to do is we need to scan the code for what password the program is looking for. Okay, so we're going to cat this this file. It's going to be level1.py. Okay, so down over at the function over here, level1 pwcheck, this function here, there's an if statement that's checking if the user pw is equal to 691D. So this is the password that the program is looking for. So we can just copy this. So we highlight it, and that's going to copy it. And then we can run the program again. So it's going to be Python space level1.py. And then we're going to please enter the correct password for flag. We can paste in the password that we just received. So we can right-click, paste, and 691D, this is the password, hit enter, and this is the flag right over here. So we can copy it. So just highlight this, and just to make sure, we can right-click, and we can select copy, then go over to the challenge page, and in the flag submission field, we can paste in the flag and click on submit flag. Okay, and then we're done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.